All right, good morning. Today's tech tips are going to be focused on Google Sheets. I'm a Google guy. I really do prefer Google Sheets over Excel, but you may be an Excel user. I'm going to focus on some Google Sheets tips that simplify and keep me organized, something I turn to really often. So I have some mock data here that I generated. It's just some sample names and assignments and grades. First, quick little one here. A lot of people don't know about it. On the top left, if you click this cell between A and 1, it highlights the entire spreadsheet, which would allow you to then center things or change the font on different things. So that's just a quick one, this top left corner here. Second one, if you wanted to organize, let's do freezing. So freezing is really important. So on this one, if I wanted to be able to scroll all the way across this spreadsheet, but I wanted these student names to remain stagnant, I would click on A. Okay, and then what I want to do is I want to view, freeze, one column. Now, no matter what I do, no matter how far I scroll, the column will remain the same. I can do the same thing for the top, row 1, view, freeze, one row. So now the row will stay the same no matter how low I go. The column will stay the same no matter how far right I go. So that's view and then freeze. The next one I'm going to do is just organizing the alphabetically really quickly. So if I right click on the A and I sort A to Z, it changes it by first name. I could do the same thing, Z to A, and you'll notice that the frozen column and row did not shift. Okay, and that also organized all the supplemental data that goes with the name. All right, and one more thing I want to show is conditional formatting. So this one I really do like to use pretty often. So if I want certain numbers or certain words to populate and color code automatically, I want to conditionally format this spreadsheet. So if I were to click here again, format, conditional formatting, and let's say I wanted anything that was below, less than, a 65 to turn this red color here. Okay, I guess I have nothing under a 65, so let's do under a 75. Let's change that. Okay, there you go. And I could add another one. So again, format, conditional formatting, add another rule. Maybe if it's anything that is above or greater than or equal to a 90, we can make that blue. Okay. Sorry, try that again. I just left out a step. I have to highlight the entire spreadsheet first. Then I can do that. Okay, so let's try that again. Format, conditional formatting. Change this here. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. Again, now it's all highlighted. See, it's anything that applies. So again, greater than or equal to a 90. So I'm glad I did that. I actually showed that if you don't highlight the spreadsheet first, clicking on that cell, it will not register. The data will not format appropriately. And then I can do between. So again, highlight, format, conditional formatting, add another rule. So let's say it is between, and say it's between an 80, and we did 90 and above, so let's do 89. I want it to be yellow. And there we go. All right, so that's conditional formatting and freezing cells and rows and columns, and then just highlighting all at one time. So a couple quick little Google Sheets tricks that can help keep you organized.